Alliance Française de Karachi French Cultural Center was the place where a large number of enthusiastic and talented young media studies students converged from all over the metropolis on Thursday, 5th of January. They were there to be part of first All Pakistan Inter-Universities Magazine Cover Designing Competition 2017 that was supplemented by a student of journalism, Zubia Shoaib's solo photography exposition titled Unending Voyage. Over 500 media studies students from more than 80 institutions submitted covers designed by them from all over Pakistan. A jury shortlisted 50 best covers that were exhibited in the main art gallery of Alliance Française. Consul General of France, M. François Dalorso, inaugurated the two events.
Happy New Year to everybody. And many thanks to Alliance Française for having organized this venue, as well as to the participants and the spectators. Congratulations to everybody. I am glad to start the year here by inaugurating this exposition. It is, as it was said, the first ever exposition of that kind for Inter-Universities Magazine Cover Designing, held by Alliance Française in collaboration with News Pakistan TV. It's a very good thing to see that those 500 students have submitted their entries from a number of Pakistani universities, media studies departments, and that, as I'm told, 99% of the students happen to be girls. I am very much impressed by the creativity of the students. There is also in the other room a solo exposition of Zubia Shoaib, and I congratulate her for her work and for her selection.
President Alliance Française Bina Shah, writer and former editor of web magazine Spider, while addressing the students maintained,
just a few words on this wonderful competition which is being held with newspakistan.tv and BBC News, which is of course a worldwide media organization. I'm very impressed to see the scope and the range of these magazine covers that you have all worked so hard on.
Director Alliance Française stated,
Bonsoir, bienvenue à l'Alliance Française, bravo pour cette exposition.
Following meticulous assessment of technical and aesthetic aspect, magazine cover titled Leader, designed by Ramsha Alam, was judged the best. She was awarded the first prize by the Consul General of France.
Would like to thank News Pakistan जिन्होंने ये ऑर्गेनाइज़ किया ये इवेंट और बहुत अच्छी है एक अपॉर्चुनिटी दी है ग्राफिक डिज़ाइनर्स को कि वो अपनी जितनी भी स्किल्स हैं उनकी जितनी भी कैपेबिलिटीज़ उनके अंदर हैं वो उसको प्रूव कर सकें जब भी ग्राफिक डिज़ाइनिंग की बात आती है तो कलर स्कीम सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट समझा जाता है.
Second prize was awarded to the cover titled OK, designed by Amna Ashraf.
Thank you so much. मुझे बिल्कुल भी अंदाज़ा नहीं था कि मैं जीत जाऊंगी. जब मैंने कवर डिज़ाइन किया था तो इसके लिए मैंने ये फोकस किया था कि पिक्चर बहुत ज़्यादा अट्रैक्टिव होनी चाहिए, आई कैचिंग होनी चाहिए और आजकल हमारे ट्रेंड में क्या चल रहा है.
Third prize was given to Mahnur Nizami.
Thank you so much. मेरा ये कॉन्सेप्ट था एक्चुअली आई ट्राई टू शो कि everyone can look beautiful.
All the participants were awarded certificate of appreciation. Zubia Shoaib, while commenting on her solo exposition, said,
Firstly, I'm very happy for this exhibition. First time मेरी exhibition लगी है और seriously मैं काफ़ी happy हूँ. और photography मतलब आगे अगर हम मीडिया लाइन में जाते हैं तो उसमें भी काफ़ी हमारे लिए अहम साबित होती है.
मुझे नेचर में काफ़ी इंटरेस्ट है, तो मैं नेचर ज़्यादातर इसमें दिखाना चाहती हूँ। फैमिली हमेशा मुझे सपोर्ट करती है मेरे लिए, कोई भी पॉजिटिव काम हो उसके लिए मुझे हमेशा मेरी फैमिली का सपोर्ट है। न्यूज़ पाकिस्तान स्टूडेंट्स को मीडिया स्टडी से खासतौर पे मुझे भी न्यूज़ पाकिस्तान टीवी ने ही प्रमोट किया है।
In recognition of the continuous support extended by the Consul General of France towards propagation of education in Sindh, a student presented a cover featuring him as the best Consul General of the year. Talking to News Pakistan TV, Consul General Monsieur François Delorceau stated,
I am very impressed by the imagination of creativity of these, of all those men and women mainly, who have designed or selected and assembled these very nice covers for media. And as well as I am very much impressed by the creativity of this exposition of photographs by Zobia Shoaib, and I congratulate all the participants who have been kind enough to expose their works at Alliance Française. Thank you very much.